Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Misfits Market. This is the first video I've done in a while for them, I should say, since I didn't do one for the last box I received. I was going on vacation, and so I didn't think that was, I didn't really have time. Anyway, if you're not familiar with this is an Ugly Produce subscription box. Packages are either $22 for their smaller box or $30, how much? I don't remember, 35 for the larger one. I do have a referral. You'll get 25% off your first box, and I'll get 25% off my next box. I'll put that down in the description. I do get to customize this box. They do have a limited shipping area, but all the packaging is either biodegradable, recyclable, or compostable. That's good. This box is crazy light. So I don't know if you guys know this, but there was a hurricane in Pennsylvania. Well, I mean, by the time it got to us, it was just rain. But so this came during the storm. They delivered it to my mailbox, which is not my house. It's down, I live on a hill. So that was weird. But anyway, it's been sitting, and I forgot that I had to I got the COVID vaccine, and I did not feel well yesterday, so it just sat there, and I was like, oh, I'll get to that when I get to it. So I hope everything's still cold. It might not be. It's been here now for a day and a half. So anyway, here's our insert. This 50% off the marketplace. Shows you some marketplace items. You can now add these to any order. It's not just vegetables and stuff, produce, I should say. These say they are bio bags that you can dump down their sink. Do not do that. Don't do that. We did that. It was a bad idea. Don't do that. Just don't even worry about it. Don't think about it. All right, here's my bag, my box. These are chives. I don't know why I picked these, but why not, right? All the produce in these is organic, non-GMO, as well as rescued, so it means that it less food waste, right? Which is a big problem. All right, then we have some microgreens, yummy. Then we have some, what's this? Arugula, which is like my favorite green ever. I love arugula. I just think it's beautiful. It's peppery, it's bright. Just does something for salads and sandwiches and so much more. Clearly I was in a salad mood when I picked my box, because here are some romaine hearts. So you got your chives, you got your romaine, you got your microgreens, you got your arugula, you got a salad, girl. Anyway, all right, so there's that. Oh, I forgot to take pictures. For my vlog. The worst. I'm the worst. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to deal with me doing this. Yeah, so there's those items. Moving right along. There are some artichokes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you've never had an artichoke, you're missing out. They're freaking delicious. Love them so much. They are super, yeah. And there are some mushrooms. Here are some little bell. These are tiny little guys. I can feel the seeds in there. All right, these are white nectarines. So there are 2 of those. That one looks not good, huh? Ooh, yeah. That's probably my fault for letting it sit in my living room. FYI, they do not send this box to me for review. I pay for the subscription. Except if I have referrals, which I do, then I get them for, you know. But that's because I referred people. So there's the yellow nectarines. So there's 2 of those. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's odd, an odd number, but okay. And then there is this bag of mini cucumbers. I'll use these to pickle probably. So my box this week feels a little sparse, but I think it's because I picked things that were packaged. So there's the package. For $35, we get the package of mini cucumbers. We get the limes, we get the mushrooms, we get the artichokes. 2 nectarines, 2 more nectarines, 2 peppers, the romaine, the arugula, the microgreens, and the chives. All right, so as always, if you're interested in checking out Misfits Market, I'll put the link down below. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Subscribe.